Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can find files you've downloaded on Telegram. Very simple and easy. So you can see this is my Telegram. This is an updated one. So to find files you've downloaded, whether it's been images, videos, music, I think links, applications and the rest, I'm going to show you how you can find it. I think this is one of the most searched keywords on YouTube, so I've decided to make a video on that. So to do that, just tap on the search here icon here, and then I think most of you people don't know this, that you can scroll to this side. So on my view I scroll to left, something like this. So when you are searching for a channel, that's when you type maybe Z something like this. But then if you want to find some things or things you've downloaded on Telegram, you have to scroll to this side like this, and you can see downloads here. So if I've downloaded anything on Telegram, I'm going to see here. If I've downloaded any link, I'm going to see it here. And if I've downloaded any sort of files here like PDF and the rest, you're going to see this. So these are all PDFs from groups that I'm joining. And also if you've downloaded any sort of images, you're going to see them all here. So that's it. This is the easiest way to find files you've downloaded on your Telegram. So if you're looking for an image you downloaded but you're not finding it in your gallery, you can just scroll to the images here or the files here, and then you find it and then re-download it. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, kindly do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.